Hi friends, video about AG grid integration in React tutorials. Today we are going to check about how we can able to edit individual cells and saving it to the database. If you are first time watching the video, please take a moment to subscribe and like the videos. So currently our page looks like this. All things are working, like we can do the sorting, filtering, etc. If you need to check about how these things are working, you can check the previous videos. Okay, today we are going to edit the individual cells and saving to the database. Currently these cells are not editable. I am double clicking on the cells and there is nothing happening. Okay, so I am going to change field to editable. So here this is the default column definitions. Here we can add the parameter editable true. Okay, saving it. Now the fields are editable. Okay, you can see that the fields are editable. Okay, now it is just enable the editing feature. It is not saving to the DB. Okay, so currently you can see that in the age field we can type letters, so we need to prevent it. Okay, I am changing the age field. Here I am adding cell data type, changing it to number. Okay, then we can check if it is working. Okay, now when I am trying to add letters, it is not working. Okay, now all fields are editable currently. You can see it by double clicking on each field. You can edit it. Now we are checking about how to save it to the database. There is a function like on cell value changed. We are going to create a new function on cell value changed. Okay, constant on cell value changed equal to event. Console.log event. Just checking what it is displaying in the event field. Okay, we are just taking the console. I am just changing the first name field GG. Okay, the event returns many values, like the new value is GG. Here it is displaying value GG, old value Henry. The data column, it is returning ID of the row. For updating it, we can use this ID. Then I think the field name, we needed the field name, which field is edited. Here it is returning all. Maybe in the column definitions you can see, here you can see the field. Okay, so here we get the field from the column definitions, that ID from the data, and new value, also getting here the new value. Okay, so I am creating 3 new variables. Let id, maybe let id is equal to event dot data dot id. Okay, let field equal to event dot call def dot field. Then let new value equal to event dot new value. I'm just consoling these items. Console dot log id comma field comma new value. Saving it. Just editing this. Okay, currently it is displaying the id, the field name, first name, and the value mind. Just checking here if it is working. gg. Okay, one last name gg. Okay, now we are getting the edited fields, edited cells value in the function. So now we are going to create a backend call. We can copy this one, I think. Okay, we can copy this and alter it. Wait, fetch. Maybe we are changing this to persons slash and going to send the id id, changing it to backticks, so the id is going to work. Okay, here it is await, and so here we changing it to async. Okay, that error gone. We are using a put method, we are just editing, so you can use the post method also. Signify params dot request, we are going to change it. Field new value. Okay, here in the parenthesis we get field as first name or last name, any field name, then the new value, then the id. Okay, just we can just check if it is calling this function correctly, API endpoint correctly. Network tab, I'm going to change this ff. Yes, it is calling. We may check the payload is first name ff headers. Here it is coming the id, you can see it person slash 2. Okay, now we need to create a API endpoint for it. Okay, this is our server side code. If you check the previous videos, you can see I have explained all things in it. Okay, this is the express.js. Now we are going to create a new functions here. I'm just copying this function. Copy. from that function I am creating the new function, pasting it. App dot, we are using the put method, so app dot put persons slash, we are accepting the id. Okay, request result, try, then we are accepting the id. Id is equal to request dot params dot id. Okay, so we are getting the id here, and then from the body we need to get the fields. I am creating a new variable, constant update fields equal to request dot body. So now just consoling this, console dot log id comma update fields. Okay, I'm just commenting this now. Let's check if these things are working correctly. Okay, I'm changing this to KK. Persons 3 payload KK, then checking is it is coming in the backend. Oh, I think we need to restart the server. I'm restarting it here. Now again changing value GG, first name change it to GG. Okay, oh, now it is not returning anything. Anyway, this error gone. You can check this. You can see the id is first name, id is 4 and first name GG. It is coming in the backend. Now we need to update the database with this value. So I am going to add, we need to get the values from the update fields, extract the field and value from the okay. Now the key is first name, key, we need the key and the value. So I'm going to use constant keys equal to object dot keys of update fields, so it will return the keys. Okay, there is one key, so so the field is constant field is equal to keys of 0, so the field will be first name or last name or anything. Now we need to create a SQL query, constant query equal to, we are going to use backticks update persons, P is capital letter for persons, update persons, set field, set first name. Okay, set first name equal to update fields of field, update fields of first name, so it will be the value where id database where we have to check the id field is I small letter or capital letter. Just run the id is capital letter, id 1, id 2. Okay, where id equal to, so I think now the query is completed. Now just console in this query, console.log query. Yes, it is working. Changing this honey, Henry changed to honey. It's pending. Then we need to restart the server. Again changing Jill. So here we get the query: update persons, set first name equal to Jill. There is a single quotes missing here, where id equal to 1. So here it is, where id equal to 1. Now I think the query is correct. We are enabling this. Yeah, we just need to execute query, then condition document, then returning we just need to return a status. Status 200. Okay, so it will return a 200 status after updating. Just check if it is working. King, why it is showing pending? Not sure. Oh, we again forget to restart the server. Changing him to King Henry. Not sure why it is pending all time. Yes. Anyway, what is in the terminal? Update person, set first name equal to King, where id equal to 1. Let's check if it is updated. Oh, you can see that it is updated. Now when refreshing, it is coming as King. Not sure why it is. It is updating, but it is not returning. Okay, you can see that it is updating here. Not status 200. just trying to send a message. Need to restart again. Okay. Now it is returning. Now the code is okay. Payload preview messages success. So today we have learned about how to edit individual cells in AG grid. So now I am winding up. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.